Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say cat, a cat. But in French, how do you pronounce this word? In France, it is said as le chat. The D is silent at the end, as is obviously common in French for the last letters. They're generally not pronounced. It is the case here, so it may look like this should be said as le chat, but no, le chat. Now, CH in French is pronounced as sh, not ch, so more as an SH really sound, le chat, so not le cha, but rather le chat. Le chat is French for a cat or the cat. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting, useful French vocabulary whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.